home to the top.
Okay. Oh, wait. What? Yeah.
Stairs. Daddy, and you're tired. This is funny. It's funny how many stairs there are.
What?
I've been walking upstairs for like 10 minutes, but it never ends. We're still walking up the stairs. It goes forever. I'm not sure anymore. I don't know.
Right at left tower in Notre Dame.
We're so high up. Mom and I are way behind because they stopped to breathe. Mom and I are way behind because they stopped to breathe. Because it's forever. It just keeps going.
And going, and going.
Like we're on the stairs, we just saw down there. There's stairs.
This would be a lot easier if I wasn't sick.
Oh gosh, how did they make this? I think at the end I can see daylight. Yeah, that's probably just the light. That's exit. No, it's a window. No, we're at the end.
Wrong way. Go back to the bottom.
No, there's a
What do you guys think? Sorry. What do you think?
It's,
Here.
oh, Dad, you can see that sky.
Oh, there's one. Finally, they made it.